So unahin natin yung integration by parts bilang simula ng ating lecture at ng ating discussion this evening. So yung una, we have integration by parts and I prepare actually two integration problem. At yung una, we have the integral of 4x squared e to the 3x dx. And we have to determine the integral of our given problem. Sa integration by parts, actually meron tayong sinusundan na formula at ito yon. We have actually this formula. We have UB minus integral of B du. So UB minus the integral of B du. So let me type it first. So yan lang naman ang formula na ating gagamitin para makalculate natin ang integral ng ating problem number 1. Now, let us start solving problem number 1. So, ganito lang kadali yan. Given the integral of 4x squared e to the 3x dx, first we have to choose among the coefficients of our given problem kung alin ba dito ang gagamitin natin as u. Basically, ako ang pinipili ko dito ay yung kapag nag-tandem ang e to the 3x or whatever yung exponent na may meron ng a at saka yung coefficient na may x. So ang pipiliin ko dito is actually 4x squared. So let us just assume that u is equal to 4x squared. So ang u natin in this case is u is equals to 4x squared. So after having the value for u, ang susunod na hakbang naman natin ay pipiliin natin kung alin ba dito ang ating b. Okay, ang ating db. So we have to choose kung alin ba dito ang ating db. Ang db natin is actually yung e to the 3x dx. So lagi natin ginagawa yan, ang mamili ng u at ang db. So in this case, our db is e to the 3x dx. So ito lang naman siya. So copy ko na lang. Then what will be the next procedure right after na makapili na tayo ng u at ng db? So doon sa napili nating u, which is actually equal to 4x squared, we need to take its derivative actually. Yung derivative ng equation nating u is equals to 4x squared, kukuhanin natin. In doing that, we do it this way. Ang derivative ng u is du at ang derivative naman ng 4x squared is actually 8x dx. So, hanapin muna natin yung derivative. So, we have now du is equal to 8x dx since ang derivative ng 4x squared is simply equal to 8x dx. So, nakalculate na natin ang derivative ng u. So, nakahanap tayo ng du is equals to 8x dx. We'll be proceeding now to this equation. Yung dv is equals to e to the 3x dx. So, we need to integrate both sides now. Ano daw ang integral ng dv at ano ang integral ng e to the 3x dx? So, let's do that now. So, if we're going to integrate both sides, magiging ganito ang ating calculation. Sa left side, we have the integral of dv. And this is also equal to the integral of e to the 3x dx. So maglalagay muna ako ng integral symbol. And then here we have e to the 3x dx. And then, di pa dyan nagtatapos yan. So, proceeding tayo sa integral ng dv is equal to the integral of e to the 3x dx. As we all know that the integral of dv, that is automatically equal to v as in victory. So, ilagay ko dito, v is equal to. Ang integral ng e to the 3x dx, bagamat magle-letyo tayo dyan, at ang u natin is 3x, and then kung kukuhanin natin ang derivative, du is equal to 3 dx, definitely ang ating integral ay magkakaroon ng fraction. Shortcut. Automatic may fraction ng 1/3. Lalagyan ko na automatically yan ng 1/3. Then, e to the 3x. Hindi ko muna lalagyan ng arbitrary constant o mag-a-add ng c. Later na lang yon. So kung halimbawa e to the 5x yan, ang sagot ko 1/5 e to the 5x. Yun ang integral ng ating value ng ating integration of dv. In this case, 1/3 e to the 3x lang ang value ng integral ng e to the 3x dx. So shortcutin natin dahil nagletyo tayo ng equal sa 3x, ang derivative is 3 dx. Definitely, since ang requirement is only dx, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 3. That's why we have obtained 1/3. Naintindihan ba natin? Klaro ba?
Yes, sir. Nakukuha pa po.
Okay. So, proceed tayo dito. Since may value na ang u, ayan siya, no? May value na ang v. And this is it. And then, may value na rin ang ating du. Nakakailanganin natin para sa formula na yan. All we have to do now is only just direct substitution. So, kung i-adapt ko yung formula sa taas, dahil integration by parts yan, wala nang magiging mahirap. Sa simula lang naman ang magiging mahirap dyan ang pagpili ng u at ang dv. And mapipil mo naman during the calculation kung tumatama ka ba sa ginagawa mo o hindi. Now, equals ub minus bdu ang formula natin. So, continue lang. Copy-paste ko ulit. So, yung u natin is 4x squared. So, substitution tayo sa u. Ang u dito is magiging 4x squared na lang. And that's it. And then yung b, papalitan natin ng 1/3 e to the 3x. So, copy-paste ko lang. Dito. Yan. And then, lagyan ko lang ng parenthesis para kay v. And then, coming up next, minus the integral of b du. Ang b dito, papalitan ko uli ng 1/3 e to the 3x. Copy. Ito siya ulit. Kaya ito na lang yung copyain ko. Yung nasa loob ng ating equation, yung naka-parenthesis na kaagad. Let me see kung kaya yan. So, copy. Insert ko siya dito. Sa b. Yung b kasi ang papalitan niya. And then du is actually 8x dx. So yung du natin, ang magiging value, 8x dx. Copy. And then paste. So initially, ito yung ating equation, yung working equation natin, part ng ating solution. Now, let us simplify the equation now. So 4x squared times 1/3 of e to the 3x, I think this is 4/3 of x squared e to the 3x. So let's do that. So gawin ko muna, insert equation, then equal. So I'll type the solution, 4/3. And then we have x squared e to the 3x. Then we have e to the 3x. And then, how about the other one? Minus. Parehong positive yung nandito. Positive and positive is positive. That times negative is negative. So definitely this will be a negative sign. And then what is 1/3 times 8? That is 8/3. Ilalabas ko na kagad siya sa integral symbol. Maglalagay ako dito ng 8/3. And then coming up next is the symbol for integration. Integral e to the 3x times x is x e to the 3x since nakalabas na ang 8/3. So I will write here as x and then e to the 3x dx. Now, partially, ito yung ating solution para sa ating given problem. Kaya lang, hindi pa tapos dyan. Kung kanina, ito yung concentration natin sa integration by parts, in this partial solution of our given problem, ito na naman yung panibagong integration by parts application natin. Hanggat hindi nawawala ang x, you never stop integrating by parts. Mayroon pang x dito eh. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin ang isang proseso ng integration by parts. So, kung kanina ang concentration natin nasa naka-highlight na yan, ngayon naman ang concentration natin is nandirito na. So, again, kung ano yung ginawa dito kanina, yung mga in-highlight ko, ulitin lang natin. So, let's do that again. In this case, ang value ng ating u is yung x naman. Pero, ang kagandaan dito ng mga anak, no, ang dB hindi mababago. Kung yung nakuha natin kanina na dB, yun din ang dB natin dito. Nagkataon na hindi na bago dito. Kasi kitang-kita naman natin na permanente yung e to the 3x dx eh. Ito siya, oh. Yan. Hindi nawawala. Okay? So, let's proceed. Hindi permanente, no? Actually, nag-exist pa rin yung e to the 3x dx. Baka misinterpret yung dialogue natin na permanent. Okay. So, yung u is equal to x, kapag kinuha na natin ang derivative yan, since given na yon, alam naman natin yan, du is equal to dx. Yan. And then, ano ba yung gagawin natin dito? Again, we do the same thing. We have to integrate it. Since na-calculate na natin kanina, parang replay na lang yung sa portion ng integration process dito. So, copy-paste ko lang siya. And then, coming up next is yung kanyang integral value. At ito din yun. Di naman mababago yan. So, I'm doing it step by step. So, highlight ko uli yung tatlo, na bagong tatlo. Yan. Ito, yung u is equals to x, at saka yung du is equals to dx, at saka yung value ng b. Definitely, gagamitin uli yung tatlong yan. Now, anong gagawin ko ngayon? Kukunin ko uli yung equation natin kanina, at ito siya, no? Iramin ko uli. Now, since dito tayo sa naka-highlight na yellow, ganito na naman ang mangyayari niyan. Yung naka-highlight na kulay yellow, instead na ito yung susulat natin, yung naka-integral na yan, alisin ko muna. Kasi mag-integration by parts tayo uli. So maglalagay ako ng bracket dito, o kaya brace na lang, para maganda tingnan yung equation. Yan. And then sa loob ng brace, i-adapt ko uli yung formula na ginamit natin kanina, at ito yun. UB minus integral of B du. So, ipapasok ko dito. Ayan siya. Now, for the continuation of our computation, copy-paste ko lang uli yan para kitang-kita talaga yung pagkasunod-sunod ng solusyon natin. So, anong gagawin ko dyan? Direct substitution na naman. Yung u, papalitan ko lang ng x. Ito siya. And then yung b, papalitan lang ng 1/3 e to the 3x. And erase it. So, yung b dito, papalitan ko lang ng 1/3 e to the 3x. So, copy-paste ko lang yan. And then, saka ko lang lalagyan ng parenthesis para malinaw yung computation. Importante talaga yung mga symbols. Yan. Then, alisin ko na yung kulay para hindi nakakalito. Then, let's proceed to the minus the integral of b du. Again, ito pa rin yun. Copying ko yan. Copy. Since yan pa rin ang b value natin. And then du is actually equal to dx. Ito siya. So yung du dito, instead na du siya, palitan ko na ng dx. Nakakasunod pa rin ba kayo dyan? Kuha pa ba rin ba natin mga anak?
Yes, sir.
Now in this case, simplify natin yan. Simplify natin yung ating given equation. Yung ating answer. So dito sa una, pare-retain lang yan. So we'll just retain this. Copy ko lang. But when it comes to the second term, ito, yung highlight kong yan. Negative 8/3 times 1/3, I think this is negative 8/9. So negative and positive eh. So I'll write minus 8/9. So I'll type 8/9. And then x, then e to the 3x. Copy-paste ko na lang ito. Yan. Then next, negative times negative is positive. So I'll write positive here. Yung 1/3 ng e to the 3x, pwede ko lang i-factor out, ilalabas ko siya. 1/3. And then the integral symbol. Coming up next, the e to the 3x, then dx. Hanggat hindi naubos ang integral symbol, hanggat nakikita natin, we never stop integrating and doing it by integration by parts in this particular situation. And since the last term natin, kitang-kita na, wala ng x. So, ibig sabihin, pwede nang i-solve yung problem. Okay? Wala na kasi yung variable x dito. So, wala nang conflict. Madali na lang i-compute yung ating given integration problem. Can you follow? Klaro ba? Klaro ba mga anak? Okay, so copy ko yan. Dalhin ko sa last portion. Equal. Then, plus. 1/3. Mare-retain yung 1/3. Okay, so we have 1/3.
Wait lang po. Yung 8/3 po ba, hindi siya i-multiply sa 1/3?
I-multiply siya, anak. Nakalimutan. Dito, no? Ayun. So, we have 8/9. Buti na lang, ano ka. Yung 8 times 1/3 is 8/9. Very good. Okay, so I'll write that. So, 8/9. So, 8/3. So, magiging positive. 8/9. So, ito, 8/9 din yan. So, 8/9. And then, ano yung integral ng e to the 3x? Di ba't 1/3 e to the 3x din yan? Copy? Kuha ba? So, ito rin yun. So, times. Lalagay ko siya dito. And then, lalagyan ko lang muna ng parenthesis. And then, alisin ko yung color. Yan, klaro ba? Klaro?
Yes, sir.
Then, plus C. What's the right time na pwede akong maglagay ngayon ng arbitrary constant? And then, finally, pwede na nating simplify yan. Copy-paste ko lang. Ang ating final answer is 8/27. So, palitan ko na lang ito ng 27 sa baba. Yan, edit ko lang. And then, 8/27. Multiply na yung 1/3, no? Ito na lang yung i-cut ko. And then, yan, paste. And I think this is already our final answer in this given problem. So, dali lang. Hanggat hindi naubos yung X, hindi ka iinto. Kailangan wala ng connection yung X sa situation, sa solution. Hanggat meron pa ring involvement, yung variable X, hindi masosolve yung problem. Kuha ba natin? Huwag na kayong umugot, ha? Kuha ba?
Yes po.
Kuha ba? Okay. So, ganyan lang kasimple yung problem number 1. And even ito reality, hindi naman maganda yung variable na yun. Okay, so problem number 2. Sinubukan ko tinakasan yung exponent and let's see how far kung hanggang saan tayo haabot sa pagkakalculate ng given na yan. No? Habang tumataas ang exponent, mas napoprolong yung agony. Para lang maranasan din ninyo. Kasi nung ako yung nagtuturo sa ibang school dati, sa College of Education, not only with the engineering, nabigyan ko ng problem 10. 4x to the 10. And then, sabi nila nga ba daw, kasi gusto kong i-test yung patience. Importante din kasing ma-test yung patience, ma-develop yung patience as virtue sa isang tao, hindi lang yung aspetong kagalingan lang. Habang mahaba kasi yung competition, mas tumataas yung risk na magkamali ka. Dapat na-develop yung patience and carefulness. So, nobody's perfect naman kasi. So, dito, u is equal to 4x to the 4. Tama? So, try ko yung u is equal to 4x to the 4. Yung bang tipong hanggang nakikita mo yung x hindi ka ihinto ng pagsasolve ng problem, kailangan talaga ma-eliminate siya at mawala siya. And then, yung dB naman natin ay ito. Yung portion na yan. So, copy ko lang siya. So, this is now the value for our dB. Masanay kayo sa mga ganyan. Now, du is what? What do you think is the value for du here in this situation? Pakidictate nga. Du is equal to
16x cube po.
16x cube. Okay, very good. So, tama yon. So, 16x cube dx. And then, dito naman, integrate ko both sides. Yung dB at saka yung e to the 2x dx. So, ganyan talaga yung proseso. Hindi ko sa senior cut, no? Pinapakita ko ng buo. So, dB is equal to the integral of e to the 2x dx. So, copy ko na lang yon and insert ko dito. Then, finally, we can integrate now yung paglelet natin. B here is equals to, what do you think is the value for B? Sige nga. B is equal to?
1/2 e raised to 2x po.
Okay, very good. So, 1/2 e raised to 2x. Yan. And that's it. Now, since meron na tayo niyan, yung preparasyon sa mga equations natin, copy-paste ko yung formula natin. Ito na naman siya. Walang katapusang substitution process lang yan. So, copy. Then, dito. Bigyan ko ng equal symbol. Copy ko ulit. Dito na lang. So, by this time, we will do the direct substitution. Ang value ng u is 4x to the 4. So, ibig sabihin, ang u dito, papalitan ko ng 4x to the 4 and then saka ko lang lalagyan ng grouping symbol para maiwasan yung pagkalito. Followed by v. Ang v natin is 1 up e to the 2x. So, substitute natin dito sa v. And then, lagyan ko rin ng parenthesis. Same thing here. Yung b natin, palitan din natin. And then, saka din natin lagyan ng parenthesis. Same thing lang. Then, let's proceed to du. Ang du is 16x cubed dx. Papalitan na natin yung du. And then, we input again a parenthesis. And that's it. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple. So, ano yung susunod na gagawin natin is to simplify the equation first before we proceed to the second part ng integration by parts. Dito, I think, magiging 2 na lang, di ba? Yung unang term. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So, I think we only have 2x to the 4 e to the 2x here. So, let me retype it. This is equal to 2x to the 4 then e to the 2x. 2x to the 4 e to the 2x. Then minus 1 half times 16, I think, is 8 na lang. So, I'll type here as 8. And then, integral symbol. We have x cubed e to the 2x. Paki-correct lang kung tama ba siya, anak, no? O hindi. So, we have 16, x cubed na lang. So, x cubed. Then, e to the 2x dx. S yung nasulat ko. Yan. Review natin. Paki-double check natin. Tama? Okay ba siya, mga anak? Hello?
Tama naman po.
Okay, so we proceed to this naman ngayon. Now, in this case, ano yung magiging u naman natin? Tanungin ko muna kayo. Ano yung magiging u?
X cube po.
X cube. So, we do that again. So, magle-let's ulit tayo sa portion sa ibaba. We have u is equal to x cube. And then, copy lang uli natin yon since di naman mababago yung value ng dB dito. Same lang. Tagang yata. And then, take the derivative of u is equals to x cubed. This is du is equals to 3x squared dx. Du is equal to 3x squared dx. Then, copy-paste natin yung integral dito. Yan. Same lang naman. And of course, yung last part, yung value ng kanyang integral, also the same. And this is it. So again, copy-paste ulit natin yon kasi mayroon na naman tayong part 2 ng integration by parts with the same problem. The same problem na given. So ito, instead na yan ang nakikita natin nakatype, papalitan ulit natin nung application ng formula natin. Yung given formula natin. So ito sa baba. Now, yung buong naka-highlight na yellow, yan, yung sa loob ng integral symbol, ito na naman yung ilalagay ko. This is it. Yan. So, insert ko siya sa loob ng integral symbol. Yan, sa labas, yan. Kasi integrate natin yan. So, ito na yung bagong nakasulat ngayon. So, lagyan ko lang ng bracket, ano. Yung buong UB, naka-bracket siya. Para maiwasan yung pagkalito. Bracket natin yung kabuuan. And that's it. Kuha ba natin? Now, dito tayo ngayon magkakaroon ng substitution process. Kung na lang sulat para hindi masyadong mahaba. Yan. Now, yung U natin is x cubed. So, substitution tayo dito. And then, yung B natin is 1 up e to the 2x. Copy ko ulit. Lagay ko siya dito. But, lalagyan ko muna siya ng parenthesis 10. And that's it. Now, yung B doon, ganun din. 1 up e to the 2x. Copy ko ulit yan. And then du will become 3x squared dx. Yung pinakadulo. Yan. Okay, verify natin. Double check. Baka may error tayo. Okay naman siya, di ba? Okay, so let's proceed. So, yung unang part, copy-paste ko lang ito for the continuation of the solution. And then for the second term, negative positive is negative. So, minus pa rin ang lalagay ko. But 8 over 2, I think that is 4. And then we have x cubed. Then e to the 2x. Yan. Okay, so let's proceed. Negative 3 over 2 na dito. Kaya lang negative is positive. So negative 3 over 2 times 8 is negative 24 over 2. But negative 24 over 2 is also negative 12. So minus 12. Tingnan natin. 8 times this 24 divided by 2 is 12. So negative is positive. So positive ito. Negative yon, negative dito. So we can obtain a result of positive, not negative. So plus 12. Can you follow? Tama ba yung sign natin? Negative is positive. And then we have the integral symbol again. Solve ko siya dito. Integral. We have x squared e to the 2x. Ito na lang yung copy-paste ko. Palitan ko na lang, gawin ko na lang square yung 4. Ito siya. And then this will become square. X squared e to the 2x and then dx sa dulo. Again, dito, hindi pa rin siya pwede. Again, we need to apply again another process using integration by parts. So, ano yung ginawa kanina? Repeatedly, gagawin natin. So, again, we have a new u. Is equal to x squared. In this case naman. So, I'll write x squared. And then, copy ko lang uli yung dv. And then du is equal to 2x dx. Then also this, copy. And paste ko lang. And then b is equals to 1 up e to the 2x pa rin siya. Di naman mababago yan. Yan. That's it. Then adapt ko ulit yung given natin, yung previous computation natin. Yan siya. And then papalitan ko lang yung naka-integral symbol dito ng naka-indicate sa formula natin kanina. Ito yun eh. Copy ko na lang ito. Copy. Yung naka-highlight, papalitan ko lang. That's it. So, copy-paste ko uli yan para dito tayo mag-substitution. Now, in this case, papalitan naman natin ngayon ng u ng x square sa solution natin. So, yung u dito is magiging x square. While b will become 1 half e to the 2x. So, palitan ko rin yung mga b dito. Then, lagyan ko ito ng parenthesis uli. Nagagesa ba ninyo yung flow ng calculation? Nakakasunod na kayo? Nakukuha na ba ninyo mga anak yung flow ng ginagawa natin?
Yes po. Opo.
Yan. And then yung du magiging 2x dx. Madali siya, kaya lang matrabaho. Madali lang siya, matrabaho nga lang. Yan talaga. So next. So syempre, basically, kahit na paulit-ulit mong re-write yan, dapat matyaga ka. Kahit nakikita mo paulit-ulit na lang na kinokopya mo, dapat matyaga pa rin. Kasama yun sa pag-solve. So dito, positive and positive is positive. But 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I'll write here as plus 6. And then x squared e to the 2x. So dito na lang ako kumopya. Palsan ko na lang 2. Tugtong ko sa dito. Then gawin ko lang 2 yung exponent ng 3. Yan.